To make a simple balloon centerpiece, you need 12 5-inch balloons inflated to 4.5 inch, one 11 or 12 inch latex balloon inflated to 9 inch for the top, one extra 5 inch filled with water to weigh it down. Inflate two 5-inch balloons. Just size them to 4.5 inch. Make one duplicate to wrap the neck around the other neck and then just tie them up. So make a duplicate. And the next ones. If you haven't got a sizer, you can just cut a circle from a piece of cardboard and just measure it 4.5 inch across. And the other colour, so these can be any colour or theme. So I twist one set of white, one set of gold, around each other, and then again to make a cord. And 3 cords. And tie the water balloon onto the bottom layer. Just tie the necks together. That's the base. And tie the next layer, just tie the neck of one balloon onto the neck of another balloon on the bottom layer. And just make it a little spiral. You can make them all the same colour. Just depends on what you're making them for. And again, next. And then inflate the 11-inch to 9-inch. turn it. And tie the neck to the neck of one of the 5-inch balloons on the base. That's it. This one's for Chris now.